Imagine a design so intricate and mesmerizing that it not only captures your gaze, but also draws you into a state of deep reflection and peace. This is the power of mandala art, an ancient practice that transcends mere decoration, touching the very soul of human existence. The essence of mandala art. The word mandala originates from the Sanskrit language, meaning circle. At its core, a mandala is much more than just a geometric pattern. It represents the universe and the intricate balance within it. In Hinduism and Buddhism, mandalas have long been used as spiritual symbols, guiding practitioners on their journey toward enlightenment. These circular designs symbolize wholeness, unity, and the cyclical nature of life, embodying the belief that everything in the universe is interconnected. Why mandala art is used? Mandalas are powerful tools for meditation and mindfulness. The act of creating or viewing a mandala can help to center the mind, reduce stress, and foster a deep sense of peace. The symmetry and balance inherent in mandalas are said to reflect the balance of the cosmos, encouraging harmony in the lives of those who engage with them. By focusing on the intricate details of a mandala, individuals can quiet their thoughts, enter a meditative state, and connect with their inner selves. In addition to their spiritual significance, mandalas are used as a form of self-expression. The process of creating a mandala allows individuals to convey their emotions, intentions, and personal growth visually. It's a journey of self-discovery, where each stroke and color choice can represent an aspect of the artist's inner world. The importance of mandalas in human life. In today's hectic and often overwhelming world, mandala art offers a refuge, a way to escape the noise and find inner tranquility. Engaging with mandalas, whether through creation or contemplation, can be therapeutic. The repetitive patterns and balanced designs encourage mindfulness, helping to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Modern psychology recognizes the benefits of mandala art, particularly in art therapy. Mandalas provide a safe space for individuals to explore their subconscious, express emotions, and resolve internal conflicts. By focusing on the mandala, individuals can gain insights into their psyche and work toward emotional healing. Mandalas remind us of the interconnectedness of all things and the importance of balance in our lives. In a fragmented world, they offer a path to wholeness, helping us reconnect with our true selves and the universe around us. Subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.